Okay guys, so today's video is going to be a get ready with me kind of a video, and also I'm going to create a festive makeup look. So this is what I'm going to create. So without wasting much time, let's get started. So for first, in order to set up the base, I'm going to use a moisturizer. Now this one is from Aqualogica. If you haven't seen my review video, then you can go and check it out. It's already out there. So once you apply the moisturizer, it actually gives a very good base to your skin, and as you can see, this is like one of my favorite moisturizer. It actually helps my skin to glow. And yes, so let's prep up the skin with the same. So moving on, now we are going to get with the next step, and this is using the primer. So here I'm using the primer from Swiss Beauty in the shade 01 Natural Tint. Now this is one of my favorite primer. Now the reason behind this is because it has the illuminating effect. It actually illuminates your skin. It has those shimmer particles, and after applying this, you actually don't need a highlighter, because if you're looking for something like a dewy kind of a look, then this one is something you should definitely try. Okay guys, so now I'm done with the primer. So now I'm going to use the Inside Makeup Essential foundation in this shade Sun Beach 03. So the best part about this foundation is it is very lightweight, and it actually matches, this shade actually matches my skin tone. So, and also this foundation is under rupees 300. So if you want to try it, you can check this out. It is very good, and as I said, it's very lightweight as well. So now I'm going to quickly blend it with this blender. So yes, let's get started. Now it's time for some concealer. So here I have two concealers actually, but I'm going to use only one of them. So I'm using the Inside Makeup Essential concealer. So this is in the shade Beach, so you can also try it. It's very nice. So I'm going to apply it and quickly blend it. Okay guys, so I'm done with the concealer, and here I'm going to use, now it's time for some eyebrows. So here I'm using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow and gel eyeliner. So this one I use to do my eyebrows specially. So here we go. Now it's time for some eyeshadow, and I'm going to use here Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the color, the shade, the coral shade. So I'm going to do it super fast. So let's get into it. Okay guys, finally done with the eyeshadow. Now I'm going to use the Inside Makeup Essentials Non-Transfer Lipstick in the shade Red Plum, and this is one of my favorite shade, and again this is under rupees 300. You can easily buy it. It's available on Nykaa as well. So the next step here is the eyeliner, obviously. So I'm using the Swiss Beauty pop-up eyeliner, and I'm also going to follow up with the blush. So here we go. And we are done with the look, guys. So this is my final look. It is actually a minimal makeup which I have done, just focused a little more on my eyeshadow this time. So yes, this is how my final look looks like, and do let me know how you guys like this video, and if you did, then do subscribe to my channel if you haven't. So yes, and yes, so if you guys like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon. So yes, till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye, and lots of love from my side. So yes.